Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new Call of Duty mobile video. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up all of the crates that I've been saving for the past almost 4 years inside of Call of Duty mobile, and also opening up some crates near the end. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my live reaction of opening up all of them. So here you go. I have 3 years worth of crates over here I'm gonna open. So let's start out with constellation prizes. I am gonna save one of every single one, apart from the strong boxes, but here we go. That was all from ranked. That's just one of those. I'm gonna open this up, get one of those. Open up 4 credit crates. I kind of hope I get the M4 Jade. So let's hope I do other characters. That'd be awesome. Oh, I get the PDW. Okay. Awesome. Now the skin downloaded, but yo, I got Vanguard. Bro, that is awesome, bro. I'm taking a picture of that. Alright. Clan shards now. I own 112 of them. I hope I get Iskra or whatever, because I love that character. So I really hope I get enough parts so that I can build her. Right there. Now I'm gonna open up more. Cool. Next I'm gonna open up one Voodoo Lion crate. I kind of hope I get the ASM 10. I love the way this looks. Or the Karambit, to be honest. I only have 2, so I'm gonna open up 1. Please. Something good. Ah, okay. Epic credit crate. I really hope I get the Man of War. Because I only have any cool skins for the Man of War. I have cool skins for the Locust, so here we go. Please give me the Man of War. Please give me the Man of War. Oh, I get the backpack. Okay, I'll take it. Oh, please give me cyberspace for the Chickum. I want an epic Chickum skin so that I can use it. Please, for the love of God, please give me the Chickum skin. Please give me Chickum. No. Okay. Well, that's alright. This epic credit crate. Honestly, M4 black and gold. Yeah, M4 black and gold. Give me it, please. No. No, I got the character skin? What are the chances of getting the character skin? It was the same. I could have gotten this Type 25 instead. And that's alright. 2 more of these. I hope I get the character skin because I didn't get it last time. So, give me the character skin. Oh my god, bro. I got the character skin. No way. I guess because I got every other thing in there. Wow, no way, bro. I got the freaking character skin. Okay. Caste and blood. Honestly, I don't care what I get. That's a cool crossbow skin. Alright. Alright, what's next? Alright, cool. Open up all these, I guess. Get all these I don't have. Cool. Cool, I'll also get all these as well. Wow. I'll have to spend my free credits on them, so that is cool. Very cool. Cool. Epic credit. Oh, please give me a chicken. Please, have another chance, please. Chicken all day, please. Please, give me the chicken sandwich, please. Oh my god. No, I got credits. Oh man, okay. Honestly, I really want that CR56 AMAX. Please give me the AMAX. No! Aw, man. That sucks. Epic credit. Another chance at the chicken. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. Alright, well. Or don't give me the chicken. Perfect harmony. To be honest, I kinda want the AK skin. I don't have a cool, well, I do have a cool AK skin. I don't know. Just give me something cool. Or give me absolutely nothing. Give me the MSMC or the ICR. That's a interesting looking AK-117 skin. Aw, man, alright. I don't know what to get here. Oh, it's a strongbox. Cool. Open up one of these. EMP grenade. Cool. Alright. Here's the big one. All the Dream Aura boxes. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna open up all of them. All 100. Oh, and I'll open up one of these as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna open up this crate over here. What's it called? Yeah, I have 23 minutes left, so I'm gonna open up this. I don't expect to get anything here, but I really want to get this Fennec. Cause this is a cool Fennec skin, I don't have it, so open up one at a time until I get to 30, until I get to 20. Then I'm going to open up all of them, all 10 of them. Hopefully, I get something cool. I really hope I do because I've been saving up these for the past couple weeks. So please give me an amazing epic. It's not looking too good. Not looking too good. Yep. At least I don't have that though, so that's cool. the same one again. Wow. Why am I doing this? I'm not gonna get anything. Alright. Here we go. 38 guaranteed. Please give me the Fennec. Wait, actually, let me do one of these ones. Let's see what one gives me. And that's how many problems. Alright, here we go. Give me the Fennec, please, please, please. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got the Fennec! I got the Fennec! Yo! COD gods are absolutely insane! Oh my god, bro. No way, bro. No way, bro. No. No. No, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it for a second. You know what? Can I get a one draw? Can I get a one draw? Can I get a one draw? No way. No, okay. Oh my god, I got it though. Yo, I got it. I actually motherfucking got it. Wow. I didn't get the dream aura for this. Alright, let me hop into a. Let me hop in the train mode and show you guys the skin. The Fennec skin I got. This is absolutely insane how lucky I am. Oh my god. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this combo video. If you did, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I will do more CODM videos like this. And I just have to say that I got really lucky today. Really lucky. Because I'm going to do a diamond grinding with this. And, yeah. See you guys in the next crate opening video in, like, possibly another 3 years. I got so lucky, though.